Hi everyone. I'm James. Today's question is, why can't we close our ears like we can close our eyes? We have evolved eyelids to protect our eyes from drying out or getting scratched. When you are sleeping, it is dark anyway, so there's not much point in your eyes being open. But your ears have evolved as an important early warning mechanism, allowing you to wake up if, say, there's a tiger growling in the undergrowth. Some animals, including seals, otters and hippos, can close their ears, but this is to keep water out while swimming. If you love this video, please click the like button. I would like to hear your feedback. Please write your questions or opinion in comments section. And subscribe to my channel.